Hello everybody, I'm using a voice changer. I'm using Mail 2. Yeah, I'm using this. Not anymore! Welcome back to the wonderful world of Roblox. What are we playing today, MUGEN? Listen here, buddy. I know what you're thinking. Please, just play something else. We don't want to see MUGEN on your channel anymore. I'm almost done with the series. If you let me finish, then I'll move on to something else. Maybe I'll move on to Rocket League or something. I don't know. Soon I'm going to be playing Among Us. Like, you want to see that series, right? Then just let it hit the 25th and I'll play it. I'll stream it. I'll do anything. Yeah. So, Smoked Hiking Hat is supposed to be made by this guy, but it got banned. Like, very easily. It didn't last that long. It's made by SS. But then someone recreated it and, well... He has the pilgrim hat. Which makes me wonder, was he part pilgrim or? We will never know. So, I know nothing about this game. I literally clicked it for 1 second and just clicked off. Because it was foggy. If there's one thing that triggers me and gets me so scared, it's just fog. And basically black, as I mean like fear of the dark. And I also have fear of loading things not showing up because I have a feeling a jump scare will happen. And I'm so sorry if a screamer plays. See? Fog! What is any of that? Oh! Oh, I thought it was a normal sky, but it's not. I'm sorry if that is hurting your eyes, because damn is it hurting mine. What do I do with a rock that hangs from the ground 5 feet? This is gonna crash my game, I know it. I don't wanna... let's not touch it. Bro! I don't! I literally went under it. Oh wait, I'm not in line with it, that's why. Hey! I'm not gonna touch that. And I'm sorry if that atmosphere right there is hurting your eyes. Do I just keep walking? Like, is something supposed to happen? Like, I heard this game is very short, that's all I know. Like, this game is supposed to be very short, but gives people anxiety. That's all I know. There's a pressure plate there. Getting really anxious right now. Not gonna lie. That's gotta crash my game, isn't it? I don't wanna. What are you, buddy? Hey! I'm already scared of you. I'm scared to touch you. I'm scared to say hi in chat to you. I'm scared to even look at you in... Yeah, that's giving it... I don't like that. Hi. Bye. Am I recording? Yes, I am. I'm turning my volume down. I don't like this. I have a feeling that this is a screamer. I'm sorry. Yeah, it crashed my game. My screen froze. You can hear me slamming my mouse on the thing to move it. It's not moving. That was I did not like that at all. I actually hated that. Actually, we'll join again and see what the rock does. That's what we're going to do. We're going to see what the rock does and then end the video and see if my video uploaded when I'm finished this recording, because... Or I'll just cancel that video and re-record it. Or you'll see this one today and then be like, what was that video again that he was uploading? We'll find out tomorrow or something. Also known as the 23rd. If I remember to record. Why did I... Okay, we're gonna ignore the fact that I just spawned without any clothes. Hey! That didn't last too long and that actually scared me. That actually scared me. Oh my god. Description is okay. What is the original description? Is it okay? There's no way. What a coincidence. What a coincidence. Trust me, I'm almost done with MUGEN. Like, I don't think I'll finish Vezteg, but I will, I have to still go over the MUGEN lobby. Play possibly a few MUGEN fan games. And, well, go to the MUGEN Museum, and then this series is finished. Because I don't want to play this game any longer, I swear. Anyways, thank you for watching this very paranoia episode of this. We played Smoked Hiking Hat. We're getting close to the end. Hooray! MUGEN finally over for the first time in a million years. Can't believe I'm saying that. Which I have a feeling MUGEN has made my channel rise somewhat, but I don't know. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Goodbye. I'm high.